You ever been stuck looking for your keys with your arms full? You may have wished you had a smart lock. A smart lock will replace any standard key lock with a keypad or even a fingerprint scanner. So today on How to Anything, let's install one. A smart lock uses an electrical signal to open and close. This can be an access code, a fingerprint, a nearby key fob, or smartphone. There are plenty of types of smart locks, and which kind you choose depends on your particular needs. The one difference to keep in mind is that a smart lock requires power, so you will need to change batteries occasionally. And if your lock depends on Wi-Fi, then it may be affected by power outages. For our project today, we are going to be using the Schlage Encode keypad lock, which we'll be installing on our front door. Best of all, this is a simple installation, so you can do it yourself. This lock, like most smart locks, has a couple of main parts. This is the locking mechanism, which is similar to a standard deadbolt. These are the two sides of the keypad assembly, which sandwich the door and provide your smart functionality. And of course, we have the hardware for installing the lock and strike plates into our door. Remove your existing lock and strike plate. Then you can set the deadbolt in place with the word top facing up. Make sure this slot is centered in the hole. If it isn't, then you can adjust it by twisting the faceplate to extend the length. Now we want to install the new strike plate into the door frame. If the plate is too big for the existing hole, you'll have to trace the new plate and carve out some material with a chisel or a rotary tool. We have these extra long reinforcing screws. I recommend using these if you have the room next to the door. They tie the strike into the frame and make it extra secure. Take your touchscreen piece and feed the cable through the door below the bolt, and push the tail piece into the slot in the bolt. Then put the cable through this hole in the backplate and attach the backplate with screws. Connect the cable to the inside piece of the smart lock and tuck any extra cable into the housing. Then we can secure this piece to the door with the screws. Install the batteries and attach the cover, and your lock is installed. Enter the default master code that comes with your manual, and then you can set up your own personal smart lock passcode. To lock and unlock your door remotely and add more user codes to the lock, you can finish setup in the app on your phone. Now opening your door is as easy as typing in a code. Leave a comment below on any topics you'd like us to cover next. If you have any questions, talk to a Lowe's Red Vest associate. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great DIY information.